Okay, hello there. Hi. I'm Karina. This is Duranda. Hi. Okay, we're working on conferencing, and we just want to do some brainstorming while we do getting ready for the lesson plan. So let's take into consideration the children's interests or maybe goals that we want them to work towards. So I was thinking,
Like being more vocal with each other,
yeah, yeah.
learning how to take turns.
Oh, yeah, turn taking.
Mm-hmm.
That's excellent. Sharing.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of the children I find need help with that.
Right.
Maybe like socialization too, especially, excuse me, good night, it is nap time, this is teacher time. Thank you. Now that we're in the fall, we could have it relate to fall, but also linking to socialization, maybe like going on a treasure hunt and working together. They would be moving too, so kinesthetic activities that have the children like get up and move around, work together to solve the problem. Oh, let's see if we can find our vocabulary words or our colors or our shapes. They're okay with colors, so I wouldn't do that, but maybe they could all work together on this treasure hunt, this socialization activity to find the missing shapes, because I know a lot of them, Tiago and who's the other one? Sarah need to work on shapes. So shape recognition we can work on. Let's see. In terms of being more vocal, I think, who's this? I have their files right here. Maureen. She's actually had difficulty with her. Well, yeah, she's very shy. Yeah, yeah, she talks a lot at home, but like here when she does speak, it's very like soft spoken. Yeah, and like one or two words, and I have to encourage her. Come on, Maureen, I want to hear your words. Come on, you can do it, and giving her that confidence. So that's great that we can include more oral language. Any ideas for how we would, like activities wise, for oral language for her that we could implement?
I think the best thing we have is like flashcards. As far as like, it's a I don't know how we could do it, but we have flashcards. For example, we would put them. This is the kitchen area, Maureen. Can you say kitchen area?
Kitchen.
And
Yeah.
go over them repetitively, like
Repetitive
daily.
language, have her say it. We could even link it to like props in the kitchen area. Oh, let's go play with what's in there. The cash register, or oh, food. She likes playing with the toy food. Excuse me. Good night. All done. So she would be hearing the language and then be encouraged to echo that language, to repeat it.
Right.
Another thing I was thinking too for oral language, vocalizing with her, but many of the other children, songs, yeah, rebuses, rebuses, nursery rhymes, because then they would hear see the words in print, obviously, but then have the visual to help them. We could do question of the day on our morning board. So it would be like, what's an open-ended question?
What do you think the weather? Well, that's sort of an open-ended. What do you think the weather looks like?
Weather is like, yeah, because it can be more than just sunny. I mean, maybe she feels the breeze on her face, right? What did you have for dinner last night, or what did you do over the weekend? Not how was your weekend, good or bad. That's closed. But what did you do over the weekend? Like similar to what we asked them today at Circle. So we could do that, writing down her words, but it would encourage her to give more than a yes or no kind of thing.
Right.
So we can definitely add that on the lesson plan as well. Okay.
And the colors, as far as, do you have red on that represents Little Red Riding Hood?
Yeah.
Do you have on blue that represents the sky?
Leonardo, well done.
That can remind her of the colors, and it'll also allow her to say more than yes or no. Like, yeah, the sky is blue.
Yeah.
Or the grass is green.
Yeah.
Those open-ended questions.
And making connections to comparing, because I notice she does a lot of that too. Like, I wore blue, a blue shirt. She wore blue shoes. She was like, "Oh, blue, blue." So I should have extended the conversation further to be like, "Okay, or what else is blue? Let's talk about." Or have it be blue be the the center of it, or a blue collage or something to extend the conversation.
We can also teach the younger children how to sort by colors.
Oh,
and that'll also give them a way of expressing their feelings because they can see another peer doing all yellow, and then
Right.
tomorrow or that same day they can probably sort in all yellow just from watching, and another child teaching them,
Leonardo,
all yellow
calm
goes
your
here,
body.
all blue goes here, etc., etc. So
That's
that
right.
can be another way too.
And I like the differentiation and instruction because the younger kids that we said would be, all of the kids are learning how to sort, but the younger kids sorting by color, and then the older kids sorting by size, learning their shapes.
Numbers,
Yeah, exactly. And what we can do for the little kids learning their numbers, like start it small, take it, just teach them 1, 2, 3. But for the older ones, go higher and then start incorporating more quantities. Okay, match the 6 with the 6 dots, or however way we decide to do it.
Or count to, like you normally do for the circle time. You
Yeah.
count the days, and then you allow them to see the day that we're actually on, and then we can also allow them to
Incorporating
count backwards.
Visuals, yeah, yeah. No, because when they go to kindergarten, they're going to have to know not only counting forwards, but counting backwards
As
too.
well.
And
So
it's not
it's all
just rote counting, pure memorization. If they do all of that, in addition to all the number hunts, whatever we decide to do, it will show true comprehension. Boys, stop fooling around. Good night. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We're awesome. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.